Morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning at 8:44, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2284. Asia slightly higher, Europe slightly lower. We had housing starts this morning. They came in a little bit light, but nothing overwhelming. These are October numbers. Housing starts 1,310,000 versus 1,340,000. Estimate permits 1,416,000 versus 1,430,000. Again, just October numbers already in the books. Before the numbers came out, the Dow was down 230. Currently down about 275. NASDAQ was down about 54, currently down about 73, and the S&P was down 19, now down 23. We had earnings from Walmart and Lowe's. So from the retailer side, Walmart, a beat of a nickel, beat on revenues, guides in line, $87.17, up 3.12 or 3.7%. Lowe's, so more attuned to the home building and permits and home improvement. They also beat by 7 cents and beat on revenues and raised their fiscal year 25 earnings to in line and revenues in line. But the stock went the other way, 267.51. That's down $4.26 or 1.6%. Alphabet, DOG, pushing them to sell Chrome, according to Bloomberg, but the stock is basically unchanged. 176.18, down 62 cents or 0.4%. And Hewlett-Packard Enterprises and Juniper meeting with the DOJ on their merger. No real action there either. HPE 21.33, that's down a nickel. Nothing overwhelming as far as the futures markets. The bonds are up a little bit on those weaker housing starts and permits numbers, and the 210 spread, both the 2s and the 10s are down in yield by 4 basis points, leaving the spread at plus 12, which is unchanged. Stock futures continuing to sell off. The Dow is now down 325. The NASDAQ is down 113. And the S&P I'll have for you in a second. The dollar is basically unchanged, down about a dime. In the grains, we have a mixed market. We have soybeans down, but wheat up. Corn basically unchanged. Oil is down 2 cents. Heating oil down up at less than 0.5%. Gasoline up about 1.1 cents, and nat gas down a nickel. The gold, I'm going to show you the chart on the gold on the weekly. It's up 25, but it has a very long way to go to get out of an inside week. I assume that we're going to spend the week as an inside week with a higher low and a lower high. It does look to me like we're going to test the 25.25 or 2,500 level. Same situation with the silver. Let's pull that up. We're up only 14 cents there, and let's take a quick look. This one could easily make a higher high and higher low. It did come down a little bit more extremely. We're close to this uptrend line and basically riding along the 20-week MA. We could move higher here, but I have kind of a wait and see attitude about it. So we'll have to see how that one shakes out. Aside from that, Putin making all kinds of noise about nuclear weapons because of the use of the long-range U.S. provided missiles that hit into Russia. Again, can say whatever he wants. We'll have to see what happens. There you go, folks. Have a good morning.